Enter the company's basic details such as name, address, and VAT TRN number. Define tax settings according to the country. Choose the posting method for transactions, real-time or batch. Create a list of authorized system users. Assign user permissions accordingly. A video guide for setting up the company and users. Initial steps such as entering company data. Import the initial data before starting live operations, including accounting and HRMS details. Define production stages, cost centers, and specialized settings for each module like accounting and general settings. Direct link to the support website and training videos library for further assistance. Review section to identify missing or incomplete data before going live. Create ready-made templates for postings, entries, and reports to streamline repeated processes.